What is up, guys? Welcome to another edition of the Market Marauder Show, beating the market one trade at a time. You know, Market Marauder Show, it's an investment channel, helps you to find the best deals in the market. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. All right, today we're going over some of the top NFT projects that are out there in the crypto world. So, if you're not involved in cryptocurrency, it's definitely a growing field out there. A lot of different interesting projects are coming up. Um, over the few weeks and months. So I'm just going to diving into some of the top NFT projects out there. So going to be looking at the first one being Data Network. So this is Data Network's website. So it's introducing T-Fuel staking and uptime mining. So it says 87 days, so it's a countdown on that. And you can join the Data Edge node participation on here. But basically, this is involved around gaming. So these are different partners that they have: Samsung VR, G Fuel, and Data TV. So we see on here they have a network. So the different people can make different networks, and it has a breakdown of the networks and who's supplying that. So the different nodes. So you have Edge node, Guardian node, and Enterprise a Validator node. This will help support the network. Then these are also some of their people who back the nodes. So you have companies like Gummy Binance, Samsung, Sony, Google, and Blockchain. This is some of the news that are coming out for the company. But overall, I think the project, is pretty interesting in my personal opinion. So you have the content creator, video platform, centralized CDN, and then the viewer. So it says poor quality today's content delivery network CDN lack reach, causing the video rebuffering and high loads of many parts of the world. Skyrocket data needs users demand 4K, 8K, and higher quality streams, create insufficient bottlenecks. So they're helping to try to mitigate that problem with this platform, with this blockchain. So it has a open source network protocol to build onto the data network, decentralized apps or dApps. Video platform and content providers can build specialized apps for their audience. So this is their white papers, which basically explains the layout of how their blockchain works and the different innovations on here. Overall, I think it's a pretty good a pretty good project overall. I'm definitely interested to see what new developments they make for the Theta network. You can search them up on YouTube on here, and they have their video embedded, and it's datatoken.org. So we see on here that they're currently, you can go buy Theta Token today, and their price is $11.61. So overall, kind of down, so it's a little bit on sale at the current moment. It was all the way here at $12.49 just a few days ago. So kind of fluctuating in price, but overall, if we see on here, in the long term, they've gone up quite a bit. So in 1 year, they've gone up 14,909 0.1%. So they've grown significantly since the project started. So next project we're going to talk about on here for NFTs is called Chiliz. Now Chiliz is a blockchain where these different partners that they have, which are famous soccer teams, have partnered to make their own coin. So Chiliz is the blockchain, and they're going to be using the different teams that they're sponsored with. So you have like Milan, PSG, and then you have like the UFC. I think is another one of their sponsors. But basically, they are on this Chili's network, and then using it as a blockchain to where you can buy different coins from these teams, which I think is pretty cool. So it says Chili's Rocket Fuel for socios.com, which is where you'll find the different coins from the team. Fan engagement platforms is built from the ground up on Chili's blockchain infrastructure and uses CHZ as an exclusive on-platform currency. And so it already shows some of the partners. You have Madrid, UFC, OG, Juventus, FC Barcelona, PSG, or Paris Saint Germain, AS Roma, to name a few. So definitely have a lot of big sponsors for their blockchain, and definitely could see this one growing as time goes on. And then we can see the price; they're only at 46 cents, so they're pretty cheap at the current moment. Overall, they've grown a lot in the year, but in the 24-hour, 7-day, and 14-day, they're kind of low. They've been going down just a little bit since then, but overall, I think a very interesting project as far as NFTs are concerned. And then we have Engine or Engine Coin, and then we can see on here just talking about create with a click, use simple visual interface to create and manage fungible and non-fungible tokens. So it says on here, earn automatic revenue, get paid automatically when users trade digital assets peer-to-peer via the Engine marketplace. So integrate faster. So I think this one is basically using different platforms. So they have these Binance collectibles, Age of Rust, so you can unlock things for the game. Nine Lives Arena, so another game on here. Lost Relics, Six Dragons, and Azure Heroes. So these are different things where you can buy coins, buy collectibles that you can use in game, and then sell on the Engine platform. So peer-to-peer trading, event triggers, mass asset distribution, wallet linking, automatic signing or automated signing, and wallet data queries. So peer-to-peer is basically like, let's say you wanted to trade something with someone in game. So like, let's say you bought some armor, instead of that armor being just yours and you're not getting any currency from it, you can sell that in game or sell it outside the game using this Engine coin. So like, let's say you want to sell the armor that you bought, you could get your money back on that. So I think overall it's pretty interesting technology. And I think I could see it, growing as time goes on, if more people start to adapt this Engine coin. Now they are backed by Unity. G dot or Go dot and Java. So Unity, the one I'm being very familiar with, is what a lot of people use to create games as far as coding is concerned. So definitely can see if they're supported by Unity. Or if Engine Coin supports Unity, how they could integrate a lot of these things moving forward. And you can see a lot of Engine Coins being used in computer games and mobile games moving forward. So definitely very interesting technology built on this Engine coin, and definitely can see it grow as time goes on. Now the price of Engine coin is at $2.34 at the time of this video, but definitely one that has grown based on the growth of NFTs, and I could definitely see use case for ENJ or Engine coin to be used moving forward. Next one on here we have Ecomi, and then we can see, or Omni, what people are calling it for short. Um, but we can see on here that they have support Vive. So Vive is an app-based marketplace for premium licensed digital collectibles. So we can see some of the people that they support on here. Then they also have secure wallets. So hundreds of million digital assets are stolen. Keeping your digital currency private key is more important. So basically a security wallet for you to keep your data or your coins safe. So they have a wallet as well as this marketplace on here for Vive, which are licensed digital products or little NFTs of their own. So going into the Vive section, they have some pretty big sponsors or people that they're working with. So DC, you have Batman here. You got DC, Star Trek, Powerpuff Girls, Adventure Time, Ghostbusters, Jurassic Park, Back to the Future. You got Batman, Black and White, Harley Quinn, Batman, Bombshells, Superman. So quite a bit of different ones on here. You can see the collectibles in here in your little virtual showroom, which I think is cool. So you can actually show off the different NFTs that you get collectible wise. And then it says over here, digital and augmented reality, so you can show off your NFTs that you have, which I think shows use case for having some of them. And then I think it's cool that they have, you know, big sponsors already, and I could definitely see this growing. Now, some people try to make some on their own, like NFT wise. You know, I have some NFTs that I made. Link down below in the description if you want to check them out. Um, but you know, overall, I think this is pretty cool, and I could see this growing overall on this economy. So, economy or OMI for short is at 0.008, so pretty cheap, but definitely one I could see growing really fast, especially having sponsors like DC and Star Trek already in their repertoire. And lastly on here, I want to talk about Decentraland. So Decentraland has its own marketplace. You can buy different gear, different add-ons in the game, where you can sell to different people. You can create them and sell them. So let's say you want to trade digital assets. Which you know could be in the form of NFT. Make an NFT around some of these things, and then you can sell them where people can use them in Decentraland. So I think this is one of the first early adopters, in my personal opinion, of using it as digital assets, or using the NFTs behind it to make digital assets for this Decentraland. I think it's very cool that you could do that, and it definitely is going to help with the growth of gaming. There are going to be more and more things you can add on. More and more people are going to be using NFTs, and I think Decentraland, being one of the first early adopters in the NFT world, as well as allowing people to be able to use the coin to buy different merch and sell different merch on their platform, I think was very good of them as far as early adoption is concerned. Now, the whole NFT space is still fairly new, and I think it's going to continue to grow. If we look at Decentraland, their ticker is actually MANA, and they're only 96 cents, so they're under $1 as well at the time of this video. So depending on when you watch this, these prices will be different. So just bear that in mind as well. But I think the whole NFT world is going to continue to grow as more and more people begin to adopt the NFTs. Now drop a comment down below. Tell me which NFTs you guys are looking at. Do you think these are the top projects, or are there other projects that you'd like me to review? Make sure you leave them in the comment section down below. And also hit that thumbs up while you're down there. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.